Oh, I can feel the temperature change. This one over here is the fire alarm. Pot lights, pot lights, pot lights. I should probably cover these holes back up, eh? Did you miss me? That's all she wrote, that's all we got. Rinse and repeat. Oh, hello world, welcome back to a fantastic episode of Camp Aspinall, and we are doing an update video on the abandoned garage house cabin because it has just been far too long and you've missed it. If you just happen to click on this video, we're standing in an old abandoned garage at least 3 decades old, and it had been left to rot. We put on a second story. We're turning it into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath cabin located on the lake. Well, all this framing got done today, and I can't even believe it. It's floor to ceiling, and it means we don't have to have a railing on the other side. Check it out, all the way up, storage space, access to the cleanout where the services come in, and this is all going to be floor to ceiling cabinets around the stairs, but not just because we're gonna get away with not having a railing there and because this is gonna look even nicer, but because this is where the hot water tank and or on demand will go, as well as the water main. The electrical has also been started. We've got a plug going in there. Where are all these plugs? It's like Easter now and we're going on a hunt. But now I can show you where the appliances are going to go. Starting over here, this is where the laundry is going to be. Stackable washer dryer. There's going to be another half wall here creating a partition because this is where the fridge is going to go. Beside the fridge, we're going to have the sink located right here. Then we're going to have a stove located right down there in this corner behind the window pointing at the water. Hopefully from this angle you can see plug up here where it's a little higher, right? That's where the fridge is going to be. This is a hose pipe tap that goes outside. This is where the kitchen sink's going to go. Of course, the bigger one down here, that's going to be for your stove plug. Washer and dryer are going to be down in that far corner over there. Come into the new bathroom where the addition is just rock hard cement. This was poured last week. Solid, 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 solid. It doesn't look like we've come into this space quite yet on the electrical, but there's going to be a vanity here, like a bathroom sink and a toilet here, so there won't be any power on that wall. It'll be somewhere over here when they get to it. That's the plug over here. Yep, that'll be a plug there. Okay, let's go on the other wall and see. Plug, I think standard code is every 6 feet right now. I think that's what it is, so there will be the next one, and that means there should be one more here, and yes, there is along that wall. This wall's a different color because, well, it's original, and its bones were okay. The land on that side of the property was sloping towards the building, and the water was coming in this way, and those 2 walls were rotten. So this one, we were able to salvage. This is a post we had to put in to hold up the second story. Most of you have seen all that stuff. I want you to see a plug there every 6 feet. There'll be a plug over here then. Boom, right here. There's a plug in that corner. Now, let's go upstairs. Oh, I didn't even show you the ceiling yet. The ceiling. Look at this. Pot lights, pot lights, pot lights. A big ceiling fan's going in the middle here, middle of the room. Ceiling fan, pot light, 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 pot light. Pot lights. Ceiling fan. All right, let's go upstairs. Oh, I can feel the temperature change. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fire alarm. These are all pot lights. This is going to be a ceiling fan, pot light, pot light, pot light, pot light. Oh yeah, big whirly wind up here. Oh, plug, plug, plug. Plug, plug, plug. But these are all going to be pot lights up here. Giant ceiling fan in the middle. This one over here is the fire alarm. It's got to be hardwired. And another plug right here. So at this point in the project, we're just waiting for the electrician to finish, like all the rough ends all have to be mounted, then all the wire can get run. Then it has to be inspected. The plumber's just about finished. We just have to connect services out to the street. The next step after that, believe it or not, would be insulation vapor barrier, and then we'll be thinking about drywalling on this back to school season special. This is about 1.5 million degrees Celsius upstairs. Holy smokes. Summer's back. We had that cool spell there for a couple of days here. I think it blanketed a lot of North America. Plants didn't like it, but it was nice to open the windows at night. Anyway, welcome back to the abandoned garage cabin build. Happy Thursday, August something. 21st, 22nd, somewhere in that ballpark. I'm taking it in. This is gonna be drywalled with pot lights and electricity and a ceiling fan and cabinetry right there, floor to ceiling storage and hot water tank crammed in there. Wow. I was watching some of the earlier videos when we took possession of the building. It was just a dark, dungeony, rotten, moldy, gross, damp space. And when we cut that roof off, we just left it open for at least a week. The whole place just aired out, and it needed it. I'm really digging this double closet here right at the back door. Like, this whole place is going to be open concept, and that includes the front door. So maybe some sort of wall vanity thing here for the jackets and whatnot, but then all the way at the back again here, this was sort of dead space adjacent to the stairs. So again, hot water, on-demand water there, a full cabinet closet there, and then storage underneath the stairs with access to the clean out where the services go outside of the building here at the back door. But crazy. Can't even believe it. I'd like to do a quick shout out to our channel supporters, friends and family. You know who you are. If you like to support our work, feel free to buy us a coffee. Link is in the description below. And for those of you that are joining the Hack the Class crew, you know who you are. Thank you. If you're watching here and supporting, let's go. Share these videos far and wide. Oh, and the Codebreaker merch. I'm wearing Disrupt. And stickers are now available down below. All right, let's go take a look at the outside of the building. Locked. First, I want to show you the services here. Right here. As you can see, another clean out, wastewater. I'll let it to the road there. Look at this though, the grading is just fantastic. It used to go this way. It used to slope towards the building. This is the new foundation from here back. Right from this point back, we had to pour 4 feet. Well, we poured all the way, but this 4 feet at the back is a new addition. But look at this. Look at this. There's gonna be a hose. There's gonna be a hose right here outside. That's so awesome. And all the plumbing inside vents out that single roof vent right there. It's awesome. This pile of stone needs to go. This is all what's left. The sand's for the hole where the services are so that it's accessible, but this is probably going to go somewhere in front of this patio door and just grade it out towards the front. Everything else is just about done in terms of the elevation away, because this is a slab floor, a concrete floor. It sits on the ground, and so we're going to slope it that way. Yeah, there's just so much of it. This is all left from digging. We had to dig the foundation. We're going to use it. Just where's the driveway going to go? Not here, not likely out front, likely on the far side. But that's a decision for future Brian, not today Brian. See, because the property line comes way out here. You could in theory get a vehicle in here. This could be a drive if you had to. They used to use it as motorcycle and boat storage right in there when it was just a garage. The insulation's down to insulate the concrete slab floor, and I think that's it for what's new on the outside. See, there's no roof vents on this side. None. Zip. There's one hole in that entire ceiling for all that plumbing. It's awesome. I should probably cover these holes back up, eh? Crazy. Yeah, this is all rock hard. So the foundation had to get cut back here to get the, this is the wastewater clean out, and then the blue is the water in. There she be. That's where it comes in under the stairs. That'll do. All right, YouTube fam, end of another day. Let's go home. Bye. See you tomorrow. And we're back. I see you. Whose cat is that? Whose dog is that? Hi, baby. Hello. Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Yes, you did. Did you miss me? Hi, baby. Oh, ditch the sandals. Now that we're back at camp, it's our daily cardboard burn. And then a cook-off. Yeah, look at this.
Is my mic on?
Yes. It is.
How'd it go?
Great.
And
look at this.
Yeah, we got beans for dinner.
Okay. Place looks great.
Yeah?
Yeah. All the pot lights and all the plug, what do you call the back of a plug? The boxes, what do you call them?
Electrical boxes?
All the electrical boxes are in every 6 feet.
Sweet.
And the pot lights are mounted, and the ceiling fan mounts.
Ceiling fans up and down?
Sorry?
Ceiling fans up and down?
Yeah, upstairs too. They decided to put one up in the loft.
That's perfect.
I agree.
It's so hot up there.
It was disgusting when we were filming this.
Push the air back down?
Yup.
Anything
Floor to
else?
ceiling closet. Oh, you know where the services came in, where the addition was, and they had that piece of wood there?
Yeah.
That's now inside that closet under the stairs, because that's where the hot water tank goes. That's why they did that. So up to the stairs is on demand, or your it's hot water now, because we didn't think of this sooner. And then it's going to be the closet there going upstairs. That's where the hot water tank goes.
Oh.
Obviously, we didn't think about that.
I didn't think
we
about
thought
that.
about every other appliance. All the boxes are there though, like, so you know where the fridge goes, you know where the stove goes, you know where the washer dryer goes, you know where the sink goes, because you know you want to move the sink. But it looks great.
does the closet look good?
It looks fantastic.
You
It's
think
what you
it'll-
would expect.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll show you on the video when we edit this thing.
Okay. Where?
It's on the golf cart.
Oh, there it is. Where is even the? Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
That's all she wrote. It's all we got. We have to go to Costco. Uh-oh. That's not very much time to get firewood.
Yeah.
Oh, I finished the stairs. Check these out, especially the landing. I'm really proud of this. We're really proud of this. Look at how nice those cuts are. This was bent over the front, and this was bent over the front, and we're going to cover that. And look at how nice and tight it comes into that corner. It's like we know what we're doing. Well, I've got you. Give you a little bathroom update up here. The tile, the shower, the mudding. This is how it looks today. We're getting there. It's coming. Right?
The the stairs look even better going down.
I was just showing the camera
Yeah.
when I turned around at the top.
The angle going
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Looks phenomenal.
Because of the pattern of the grain.
Yeah.
Whee! Look at that.
And then it like goes into the floor.
Phase away. I never showed you on the last video or any videos that this wallpaper type vinyl, that's what's gonna go on the face. All the way up.
But we think we gotta fill these a little bit first.
Yeah, all these screw holes, we gotta fill these in because
I think they'll
vinyl
show.
wallpaper will just, into the hole there. We don't want that. It's gonna be a monarch. That was on the milkweed, outside. Well, pork chops. Yeah. Beans, almonds. Oh, that looks amazing. On the fire. Let's go check out the lake. The lake has been beastly lately. Oh, we got people out here fishing, straight out. See them? Yep. But she's still here. Lake Erie is still here. She's gorgeous today. Gorgeous. Look at this. See what treasures floated up over here? Nothing. Maybe we'll get sunset tonight. Maybe. I want to do what I do at the end of the day, every day. This is what we do. We park it in these chairs and we reflect. So how was your day? How was your week? It is Friday Eve. Oh, feel that. Take that in. You know, making these videos inspires me. I hope watching them inspires you. Well, YouTube fam, I think we're going to cut the video here. Time to get the grub on. Time to do some editing. Rinse and repeat. If you're still here, I am grateful for your watch time. Every second you give, like, comment, all the things. Thank you so very much for engaging with this channel. It's your engagement that helps grow this bad boy. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Give somebody close to you a hug. Tell them they matter. Don't forget you matter. See y'all. What was that? See y'all. I need a sign off. See you tomorrow.